All right, future coding pros, welcome. Have you ever been looking at a patient's chart, you see the words immune globulin, and you kind of just stop and think, okay, where do I even begin with this? Well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to crack the code on CPT guidelines for immune globulins. Let's jump right in. So first things first, what are we even talking about here? I want you to imagine your body's immune system is like this amazing fortress. Well, immune globulins, they're like calling in temporary elite reinforcements. They give you this immediate, powerful boost to fight off some kind of invader. It's basically a borrowed defense system, and they can come from human serum or even be engineered in a lab. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so you get the what. That part's clear. But now for the really important part, the how. As a medical coder, you're a translator, right? You take what happened in that clinic or hospital and turn it into the universal language of codes. And for immune globulins, there is a two-part system that you absolutely have to get right. If you can nail this, you're going to be golden. So here's our game plan. We're going to start with the foundation, the building blocks. Then we'll hit the most important rule, product plus administration. After that, we are going to tackle the one big exception that can trip up even experienced coders. And we'll finish up by giving you a little pro toolkit so you're always on top of your game. Okay, let's build that foundation. It all starts with knowing exactly what CPT code range we're working with for the immune globulin products themselves.
I want you to commit this range to memory, 90281 through 90399. Think of this as the product's unique ID number. This is for the what was given, not the how it was given. It's the actual medicine in the vial, not the service of injecting it. And let me tell you, understanding that distinction is what separates the novices from the pros.
And this code range covers a whole bunch of different products. We're talking everything from traditional immune globulins that come from human serum to super modern monoclonal antibodies that are created with genetic modification. So whether it's an antitoxin or some kind of broad-spectrum anti-infective, its product code lives right here in this section. All right, now that we've got the product codes down, let's talk about the absolute golden rule of immune globulin coding. Seriously, if you walk away with only one piece of information today, this is it. This slide just lays it out perfectly. Think about it like changing a light bulb. The immune globulin product, that's the bulb itself. That's the what. But the service of actually installing the bulb and flipping the switch, that's the administration code. That's the how. You need both for the light to come on, and you have to report both codes to get reimbursed correctly. It really is that simple. So it just boils down to this easy two-step dance, every single time. Step 1, figure out the product and grab its code from that 9281 range. Step 2, figure out how it was given, the administration, and grab that code. Product plus service. That's the rhythm you need to remember. Okay, so you've got the main rule. Now it's time for the curveball. This is a mistake I see all the time, but it's so easy to avoid once you know what you're looking for. This next part is all about what not to do. So, you've done your job. You've got your two codes, one for the product, one for the service. Now your coding instincts might start tingling, right? You might think, hey, multiple codes, I should probably add a modifier. But for this specific situation, you have got to fight that instinct. It is the wrong move. And the modifier we're talking about is modifier 51. You'll learn that this one is used to show that multiple procedures were done during the same visit. And here is the why. The CPT guideline is crystal clear on this. It says do not report modifier 51 with these immune globulin product codes. Why not? Well, it's because the immune globulin is a product, it's a supply, it's not a procedure. Modifier 51 is only for multiple procedures, and a bottle of medicine, well, that's not a procedure. It's a simple difference, but getting it wrong can cause your claims to get denied. Okay, you've got the rules down. Now let's get you set up with the tools and habits that are going to make you a sharp, accurate coder right from the very start of your career. So as you're flipping through your CPT book, I want you to keep an eye out for this little N symbol. Think of it as a heads up. It means there's a new product and a new code, but it's still waiting to get its official FDA approval. As soon as it gets the green light, that N symbol just disappears. It's basically a little coming soon sign for new treatments. Look, medicine and coding are always changing. New immune globulins get developed all the time. Your CPT book, well, it's only printed once a year. So how do you keep up? This website right here is your single source of truth. The American Medical Association posts real-time updates here. You need to bookmark it. Use it. It's what professionals do. They always verify their info at the source. So let's bring it all home. These are your 3 golden rules, your trifecta for coding immune globulins. Number 1, products code plus administration code, always. Number 2, never ever use modifier 51 on the product codes. And number 3, the AMA website is your best friend for staying current. If you follow these 3 rules, you'll be coding like a pro in no time. And just like that, you've seriously leveled up your coding game. You've taken on a really tricky topic and you've mastered it. This is the kind of specific knowledge that really builds a career. So the only question left is, what are you going to conquer next? Whatever it is, you've totally got this. Now go out there and code with confidence.